Hi there, I wanted to share this new card that I made with the Butterfly Brilliance stamp and just walk you through a little bit on how to make it. So I'm not going to do the whole thing, but just show you the key parts. So as a reminder, the Butterfly Brilliance is one large image. You definitely need the acrylic block F in order to fit that on. So to do the background here on the stitched rectangle, I inked up the entire stamp with Night of Navy ink and then set that cardstock right on there and got that whole background image. So that's how I did that. Then cleaned the stamp, and then I used the Memento black ink and just inked up this butterfly. Took some thick white cardstock, set it down, kind of pressed it over it to get the black butterfly. So what I want to do for you is show you how I use Stampin Blends to color this butterfly. And then, of course, you'll notice the detail of the vellum stitch circle, a little bit of twine. And then I made this into an Easter card. This greeting is from Itty Bitty Greetings. So let's go ahead and color with Stampin' Blends. So I've got the light shades of Cherry Cobbler, Pumpkin Pie, Daffodil Delight, and then I chose the dark Smoky Slate to do the body of the butterfly. So what I'm going to do is start, and I'm using the brush end, the thicker, you see those lines, I'm using the thicker of the two ends, and I'm just going to go around the edge, just along the bottom here. Always give your blends a little room to bleed, so it'll kind of go out. I try to avoid going right on the edge, the black line, but rather I go up to it. Then I'm going to take the light pumpkin, and always I try to use the side rather than the tip. So I'll just add some of the pumpkin color there, but then I want to intentionally go over the Cherry Cobbler to kind of pull that color up into the orange, just to give it a natural blended progression. And then I'll use my Daffodil Delight to do this whole area and just kind of go over all of it to pull that up together. Now on the top, so I just did the same on top and bottom, on the, left and right, I mean. And then on the top, I did a little more Cherry Cobbler than on the bottom. So I went into the wing of the butterfly just a little bit more. And then the same thing as far as the sequence of colors. And just, I'm kind of just doing circles over that area using the edge of the blend. So you can see it just kind of fades in to the next color rather than stark lines between the colors. So I color and then I intentionally go over to blend and just pull all the colors together really. So that's all I did on each side. And then for the body, like I said, I used the dark Smoky Slate and just added a little bit of that right in the middle there. Most of that gets covered up by the twine that I used, but I wanted to not have it just be white space there. So you can see the gray shining through a little bit. Of course, as the blends dry a little bit, bleed into each other a little more, you can see that it kind of blends even more as it dries. So I just wanted to show you this Easter card and another way that you can use the Butterfly Brilliance stamp set using Stampin' Blends. And just as a quick recap, my free card kit in the mail for March 2021 features Butterfly Brilliance. And just really quickly, these are the 4 cards. So I've already done a video showing these 4 with more detail, but I just want to pull them in here one more time and remind you that when you order this product collection, the Butterfly Brilliance collection, which is the stamp dies, specialty paper, and designer paper, the papers are only available this month. When you order that, you will get supplies to make 2 of each of these cards in my card kit for this month. So this is just another bonus idea to show you what else you can do with these products. All right, thanks so much for watching.